So hello my dear friends, hope you are good, and today I will tell you in the story form that how a simple boy became confident in English even he was too much afraid of speaking this language. So let's start with this beautiful story. So this boy's name Rohan. He understands English. He even scored well in school. But when it's time to speak, his mind goes blank. His tongue freezes, and words, they hide somewhere deep inside. He watches others laugh, talk, and express themselves. He wants to join, but something stops him. Fear of judgment and hesitation. Sound familiar, right? Rohan tried everything: grammar books, vocabulary apps, YouTube lessons. He knew the rules, but still couldn't speak. One day, he finally asked himself, "Why do I hesitate so much?" And he found the answer. The problem wasn't knowledge. The problem was fear. Fear of making mistakes. Fear of being laughed at. Fear of speaking wrong English. But what if speaking wrong was the first step to speaking right? So Rohan made a new rule. I'll speak. I'll make mistakes. I'll learn. Every day he spoke to himself in the mirror. He described what he was doing. I'm brushing my teeth. I'm making tea. I'm going to the market. He didn't wait for perfection. He aimed for progress. Rohan started practicing with a real English partner. He didn't care about grammar. He cared about communication. Even 15 minutes a day improved his fluency. He stopped memorizing. He started living English. Week by week, his confidence grew. From hesitation to conversation, from silence to expression. And the best part? People didn't laugh. They respected him because he was trying. Just like Rohan, you don't need to be perfect to start. Start small, speak daily, make mistakes proudly, because fluency doesn't come from knowing more. It comes from speaking more. And so tell me in the comments, what's stopping you from speaking English? Start today, speak now, and remember, confidence is built, not born. If Rohan can speak, so you can. If you liked the story, kindly like, comment, and subscribe, and press the bell icon so that you could not miss the update. And if you want to practice English with me, go to description box, contact me. I'll help you improve your English and fluency. Thank you so much. See you tomorrow.